Hello everyone, my name is Alaa Nokta and today I will be presenting my paper titled Enhancing Data Management Efficiency in Precast Concrete Manufacturing through a Custom Database Solution. Here's the presentation outline. So first I'd like to give a little bit of a background about the case study company. It's a precast concrete company located in Edmonton, Alberta. It specializes in precast concrete solution for residential and commercial use. The company is known for their panels' unique rib structure that consists of layers of plywood, styrofoam, concrete, rebar, and wire mesh. The study objectives are to develop a centralized database system that contains and connects different types of data to manage technical and procurement data such as inventory tracking, to automate production workflow and generate reports on project status, sales pipeline, and performance metrics. A production flowchart is created to gain a better understanding of the overall production process and to identify all types of data involved in each stage. So each project starts from the client with the project's information. Based on that, we send quotation. So the project either cancelled or approved. In case of approved, the project moves to the engineering stage where we get the precast panels, their drawings, and the bill of material. From the bill of material together with the material prices from suppliers, we get purchase orders. From the panels, we get production orders. Together, production orders and purchase orders, we get material procurement, where we do concrete quality control testing. From the production orders, we finally move to the panels production to finally move to installation. So then the entity relationship diagram was created to structure the skeleton of their database and created the relationship between the different entities. So here's the database dashboard. The dashboard contains 12 different forms and 12 different reports. The forms are used to input information. So I'll just scan through them. Reports, on the other hand, which were built using SQL queries, they are used to retrieve information. Some of the most important reports the dashboard has are upcoming projects. When you run this query, it will generate a report that has all the future projects in the system with their estimated value and a bar chart that compares the revenue we got from each project. Next, statue pie chart. It shows the percentage and value of all projects in different production stages. Also, the current status of project report. When this report is run, a message will appear so the user can type in the project status. Then a report will be generated of all the projects in the system in that specific production stage. For example, I typed in complete and a report was generated of all the completed We have here also the revenue report that will detail revenue gained by the company from previous projects. It will also display a bar chart that shows how many projects we have from each client. We have also the concrete quality control report that details results from quality control testing that were done on specific time periods on concrete batches. This report in specific has a significant importance in case of a future disputes. Next, we have suppliers for each material reports that will show suppliers' information and their rates for the typed in material. I showed an example here of I typed in styrofoam and a report was generated of the styrofoam suppliers we have in the system. Same idea goes for project purchase orders. I typed in the project ID. A report was generated of all purchase orders of that project. Finally, production schedule report. When you run this report, it will show you production schedule for projects done in that specific time period. You input a start date and an end date, and the production schedule is generated. Moving on to conclusion, the custom database was successfully developed and supports the full life cycle of precast concrete production. The tailored dashboard and visual reports improved real-time monitoring, enhanced productivity, and supports the strategic decision-making. Also, the database can be used as a core decision support tool tailored to meet the geometric and operational needs of precast panel production. Finally, future work. We can utilize the database to monitor project costs by logging in employee hours per project and incorporate overhead expenses for accurate financial oversight. We can also link the database with Symfony.NET simulation model that replicates the production process to use for estimation purposes and improves planning accuracy. Finally, we can automatically generate production schedules based on real-time data from the database to streamline production and execution. Thank you.